Drag the tractor on. Try another path. Drag the tractor. Try again. Drag the tractor on. Tractor. Choose the right road for the road roller. Drag the road roller. This seems to be a wrong. Drag the road. Try again. Drag the road roller. This seems to be a drag the road roller. Choose the correct way for the police car to get to the police station. Drag the police car on police car. That's all. Guide the lifeboat to the rescue station. Drag the lifeboat onto the correct path. Drag the lifeboat onto the lifeboat. Let's help the destroyer get to the port. Drag the destroyer onto the destroyer. Guide the hovercraft to the base. Drag the hovercraft onto the correct path. Drag the hovercraft onto the correct hovercraft. We did it! Ambulance onto the correct. Drag the ambulance onto the correct road. Ambulance. Choose a road for the crane to get to the construction site. Drag the crane onto the correct. Drag the crane onto the correct road. Crane. Let's help the fire truck find the way to the fire. Drag the fire truck. Don't stop. Choose the right road for the road roller to get to the construction office. Drag the road roller onto the correct road. Try another path. Drag the road roller onto road roller. Choose a road for the tractor to get to the farm. Drag the tractor onto the tractor. Choose the correct way for the police. Drag the police car. Police car. Keep it up. Drag the destroyer onto the correct path. Destroyer. Guide the hovercraft to the base. Drag the hovercraft onto the correct path. Hovercraft. Guide the lifeboat to the rescue. Drag the lifeboat on lifeboat. Amazing! Choose a road for the crane to get to the construction site. Drag the crane onto the correct road.